Now the numerical number 23, that is the last numerical. Um, Numerical number 25 is the last one, but I'll be uploading this at the last. So that's the reason I'm telling this as the last one. Earth's mean temperature can be assumed to be at 280 Kelvin. The temperature of the Earth is given to us, that is 280 Kelvin. How will the curve of the black body radiation look? It is looking like it's 100 Kelvin, right? Even I was confused with what. Look. How will the curve of the black body radiation look like for this temperature? So they are asking us to draw the curve. Okay, they are asking us to draw the curve. After that, find out lambda maximum. This lambda maximum itself tells us that we will have to go to Wien's displacement law, that is lambda maximum b upon t. B is constant and its value is 2.897 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter Kelvin upon temperature, that is 280 Kelvin. So this Kelvin gets cancelled. 280. So it is 2.897 into 10 raised to minus 3 and here 280. Okay, let's do the calculation. We'll apply a log. So NT log of 2.897 minus log of 280 into 10 raised to minus 3. NT log, only one digit, the 0 point, minus 3 digits to 2.3 minus 1 is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. Let's see the log. 28 का 9 का 7, 28 का 9 and this is 7, that is 4609 plus 11. 4609 plus 11, so that will be 4609 plus 11. 9 plus 1 is 10 and 1 2, 4620 and 28 का 0, 4472. We'll be subtracting these two digits, that is 0.4620 and 2.4472. Subtract, this is 1, 10 minus 2 is 8, this is 5, 11 minus 7 gives you 4, 1, 0, 0 minus 2 is bar 2. So we'll be finding NT log of 2 bar 0.0148 into 10 raised to minus 3. So it is 014 का 8. Let's check NT log for 014 का 8. 014 and 8. 1009 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. So 1011. 1011 into 10 raised to minus 2 and here into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, did I do some mistake anywhere in finding log? Let me just recheck. It is 28 9 ka 7, right? 28, I think I have done some mistake. 28, this is 28 ka 9 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 11. 4609 plus 11, 4609 plus 11, 10 2 and 4620. Yeah, right. 28 का 0, 4472, 4472. Let me check it again. 28 में 9 and 7. This log 28 9 और उसका 7 is 11, right? So 4609 और 7 में 11 ही आता है, या so 4620 ही आएगा. Subtraction is done properly. 46. Subtraction is done properly. 10 minus 2 is 8, and this becomes 1, which I make it as 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. This becomes then 5. 5 minus 4 is 1, and 0 and bar 2. Let's check for 0, 1, 4, 8 whether I am finding 0, 1, 0, 1, 4, 8. Antilog of 0, 1. I was looking at log at that time. 0, 1 ka 4, and here it is 8. So 1033 plus 2, 1035. 1035, and after one digit I'll put the point. Since I have minus 2 over here, I'll write 10 raised to minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. So it is 1.035 into 10 raised to minus 5 meter. Now the range 10 raised to minus 6 to 10 raised to minus 3 is the range for microwave region. Here we have 10 raised to minus 5. So this lambda maximum, then the question is, in which part of the electromagnetic spectrum does the value lie? So I'll write the value lies in, this value lies in microwave region. Now they are asking me to draw the curve. See, we have found out the value of lambda maximum. Only what part is remaining to draw the curve. So how we'll draw the curve? It is very easy. This is nothing but talking about radiant power. Radiant power. Radiant power, and this is your lambda. Now suppose here is that value which we have obtained, 1.035 into 10 raised to minus 5 meter. So this is my microwave region. I'm not writing whole, just MR, microwave region. This before microwave region is my infrared region. Okay, now what is after microwave region? I am not concerned to that. Before microwave region I have infrared region. After microwave region we have FM radio. Okay, now this is microwave region and we are in microwave region, and where the value is maximum at this point. So of course the graph will somewhere start from behind, but it will be minimum over there. The graph will be maximum over here, and the peak will be obtained at this value. See, the peak is obtained at this value. The peak is obtained at this value, and then slightly it will reduce and go to radioactive region. So this is how the graph looks. Okay, if you shift it over here, this value, if you shift this value over, it is not necessary that you will draw this value over. If you shift the value over here, the graph, this is how the graph looks. Actually this one is the perfect one. Remove this drawn with the blue line is the perfect one, and here we have obtained the peak. So this value is lambda maximum value, that is 1.035 into 10 raised to minus 5. Here we have reached the peak, maximum peak. This is how the graph looks. Okay, so this is very easy to draw the graph. Nothing is there in drawing the graph. We have to just draw this region, and in that region whatever the maximum amount of curve will lie in this region, microwave region. Reducing part will be in radio wave region, and a minor part, a beginning region, will be in infrared, and the maximum peak value will be 1.035 into 10 raised to minus 5. Hope you understood.